Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Quiz World. And today's topic is 100 basic general knowledge question and answer in English for kids. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. Also, enable the nearest bell button and select the notification all. Like, share and support. The first question is, how many colors are in a rainbow? How many colors are in a rainbow? Answer is 7 colors. Moving to the next question. How many days do we have in a week? How many days do we have in a week? Answer is 7. Next question is, how many days are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? Answer is 365 days, not a leap year. How many hours are there in 2 days? How many hours are there in 2 days? Answer is 48 hours. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? The question is once more, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer is 26 letters. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Answer is 21. Which are the vowels in the English alphabet series? Which are the vowels in the English alphabet series? Answer is A, E, I, O, U. How many sides are there in a triangle? How many sides are there in a triangle? Answer is 3. Moving to the next question. Which animal is known as the ship of desert? Which animal is known as the ship of desert? Answer is camel. How many zeros are there in 100,000? How many zeros are there in 100,000? Answer is 5 zeros. Which is the largest flower in the world? Which is the largest flower in the world? Answer is Rafflesia. Which is the smallest flower in the world? Which is the smallest flower in the world? Answer is Wolffia. Which month of year has the least number of days? Which month of year has the least number of days? Answer is February. In which direction does sun rise? In which direction does sun rise? The right answer is east. Moving to the next question. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Answer is pentagon. The next question is, how many months of the year have 31 days? How many months of the year have 31 days? Answer is 7. How many weeks are there in 1 year? How many weeks are there in 1 year? Answer is 52. Which are the 7 colors in a rainbow? Which are the 7 colors in a rainbow? Answer is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Which animal is called king of the jungle? Which animal is called king of the jungle? Answer is lion. How many bones does an adult human have? How many bones does an adult human have? Answer is 206. Answer is 206. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong. Moving to the next question. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? Answer 2 sides. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? Answer is 10. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? Answer is 29. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Which is the nearest star to the planet Earth? Answer, Sun. What do you call a house made of ice? What do you call a house made of ice? Answer is igloo. Which is the biggest river on the world? Which is the biggest river on the world? Answer is Amazon. Which is the longest river on the earth? Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer is Nile. Which is the principles of all energy of earth? Which is the principles of all energy of earth? Answer is sun. Next question is, how many legs does the human body have? How many legs does the human body have? Answer is 2. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Which country is called the land of rising sun? Answer is Japan. Moving to the next question. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest. Which is the largest animal in the world? Which is the largest animal in the world? Answer is blue whale. Which is the fastest animal in the land? Which is the fastest animal in the land? Answer is cheetah. Which continent is known as the dark continent? Which continent is known as the dark continent? Answer is Africa. The next question is, who is the inventor of electricity? Who is the inventor of electricity? Answer is Benjamin Franklin. Which planet is known as the red planet? Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer is Mars. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer is skin. Which is the tallest animal on earth? Which is the tallest animal on earth? Answer is giraffe. Which is the most spoken language in the world? Which is the most spoken language in the world? Answer is Chinese Mandarin. The largest democracy in the world. Which is the largest democracy in the world? Answer is India. Who is the inventor of television? The question is once more, who is the inventor of television? Answer is John Logie Baird. Answer is John Logie Baird. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer is Pacific Ocean. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Which is the largest plateau in the world? Answer is Tibetan Plateau. Answer is Tibetan Plateau. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer, sphygmomanometer. Which day is observed as World Environment Day? Which day is observed as the World Environment Day? Answer is June 5th. How many years are there in a century? How many years are there in a century? Answer is 100. Moving to the next question. Which is the largest country in the world? Which is the largest country in the world? Answer is Russia. The next question is, which day is observed as the World Earth Day? Which day is observed as the World Earth Day? Answer is April 22. April 22nd. Who invented computer? The question is once more, who invented computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Answer is Holi. How many players are there in a cricket team? How many players are there in a cricket team? Answer is 11 players. The next question is, which day is observed as the World Literacy Day? Which day is observed as the World Literacy Day? Answer is September 8th. Who is the inventor of radio? Who is the inventor of radio? Answer is Marconi. What color symbolizes peace? What color symbolizes peace? Answer white. White symbolizes peace. Who is the founder of Microsoft? The question is once more, who is the founder of Microsoft? Answer is Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. During which year did World War First begin? During which year did World War First begin? Answer 1914. Which festival is called the Festival of Light? Which festival is called the Festival of Light? Answer is Diwali. How many Cricket World Cup does India have? How many Cricket World Cup does India have? Answer is 2. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Which place is known as the roof of the world? Answer is Tibet. How many teeth does a healthy adult have, including the wisdom teeth? Answer is 32. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer is nitrogen. How many people are there in the world? How many people are there in the world? Answer is over 7.5 billion. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Which is the continent with most number of countries? Answer is Africa. Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Answer is tooth decay. How many strings does a violin have? How many strings does a violin have? Answer is 4 or 5. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer is carbon dioxide or CO2. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? Answer is the Amazon. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Which African nation is famous for the chocolate? Answer is Ghana. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Answer is anemometer. Answer is anemometer. How many planets are there in our solar system? how many planets are there in our solar system? Answer is 8 planets. Moving to the next question. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? The question is once more, which is the hottest continent on Earth? Answer is Africa. The next question is, which is the smallest continent in the world? Which is the smallest continent in the world? Answer is Australia. Moving to the next question. Which is the top color in the rainbow? Which is the top color in a rainbow? Answer is red. The middle color is green. How many years are there in a millennium? The question is once more, how many years are there in a millennium? Answer is 1000. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Which country is home to the kangaroo? Answer is Australia. Moving to the next question. Stars and stripes stand nickname of flag of which country? Answer is United States of America. Which language is used by the computer to process data? The answer is binary language. What type of good lays the largest eggs? What type of good lays the largest eggs? Answer is ostrich. Answer is ostrich. Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? Which is the hardest substance available on Earth? The answer is diamond. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer is Sahara Desert. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? The right answer is France. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The question is once more, who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? The question is once more, who invented the telephone? Answer is Alexander Graham Bell. What is the name of the Greek god of music? What is the name of the Greek god of music? Answer is Apollo. What does SIM in the SIM card stands for? What does the SIM in the SIM card stands for? Answer is Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the largest written constitution in the world? Which is the largest written constitution in the world? Answer is India. Moving to the next question. What is the largest joint in the human body? What is the largest joint in the human body? Answer is knee joint. Moving to the next question. What does the internet prefix www stands for? Answer is World Wide Web. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer is stapes. Say ear bone. How many stars are there in the American flag? How many stars are there in the American flag? Answer is 50 stars. Which tree is known as National Tree of India? Which tree is known as National Tree of India? Answer is banyan tree. What is the normal boiling point of water? What is the normal boiling point of water? Answer is 100 degrees Celsius. Who returned National Anthem of India? Who written National Anthem of India? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the smallest bird in the world? The question is once more, which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer is hummingbird. How many continents are in the world? How many continents are in the world? Answer is 7 continents. Moving to the next question. Which acid is there in lemon? Which acid is there in lemon? Answer is citric acid. Which city is called Pink City? Which city is called Pink City? Answer is Jaipur in Rajasthan. Capital of India. Which is the capital of India? Answer is New Delhi. Who was the first Indian to go in space? Who was the first Indian to go in space? Answer Rakesh Sharma. With that, today's video ends here. I hope you guys liked it. Also like, share and subscribe. Please wait for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.